there, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, this is a morph transition and a PowerPoint template. I'm gonna make this in PowerPoint and I'm gonna show you how to make this PowerPoint template in just a few steps. So, first of all, insert a background image, and what you have to do next is add a rectangle right here. And the next thing you're gonna do is give it gradient of white and black. The white gradient stop have to be onto the right side and the white gradient stop has to be onto the left side of the gradient line. Now let's decrease its transparency a little bit. There you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna insert a shape which is gonna be this circle right here. Let's move it onto the left side and half onto the side and half out of the template. And let's decrease the size a little bit that it fits perfectly into the template. Let's remove its fill and give it an outline of white. And let's increase the width of the shape and go to shadows and give it some preset, and the preset is gonna be inner. I'm gonna use inner shadow. So let's increase this size of the shadow. There you go. Let's go to insert tab and shapes, and I'm gonna insert a small circle in between this large circle right here and put it into the middle of this larger circle onto the template. Now let's change its background color and remove its outline and go to preset and click on inner shadow. Be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as well. Add a text box and add your text in it. Let me just add some text and the header and select the text box and put it onto the circle on top of it and increase its size. Now you have to change its color to white and move it into the middle of this top of the larger circle. And there you go. Now what you're going to do is copy it and paste it. What you have to do is put it right here and rotate it like this and put it onto this part of the larger circle. Duplicate it 2 times and put the other one as well into their former positions. There you go. And I have adjusted the text, and let me just rotate them into their positions. You have to rotate this text box right here, select all of them, and you have to align them. There you go. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is move this right here like this, and I'm gonna go to format background. Let me just change the image, duplicate the template and go to the template format background and change the color. And now what I'm gonna do is go to the second template and I'm gonna rotate this circle like this and rotate this inner circle onto the opposite direction. Do this with all the other of the templates, and you have to select each of the template and give it morph transition. Let me just go to the second template and rotate this circle into an opposite direction, and we're gonna do the same for the small circle. Let's move the text and the content text of the template as well so that it moves like this. This was a preview. Let's move to the third template and do the following same with this template as well. We're gonna move the larger circle and rotate it into an opposite direction like this, and we're gonna move this smaller circle into opposite direction again, and we're gonna give the template morph transition. Now let's move on to the last template, and what we're gonna do is rotate this circle, which is the larger circle, and we're gonna rotate the text accordingly. And let me just move this text on top. It is already onto the top, so that was all you had to do. There you go. And the next thing you're gonna do is give this template morph transition. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like these. Meet you soon with another amazing video like this.